Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Tuesday, the 4th of April, 2023. Big day for Chicago, by the way. It's about 8:20. We vote for mayor, and these people are so radically different. It should be an interesting time. All right. Now, in the markets today, we get the JOLTS data. That is what the market should focus on. You know, are we going to keep getting that 10.8 million job offerings, which is almost, 1.9 to every person that can work, or is that going to start slipping away? That'll be a number that we all look at. We're still looking at the dollar on the weak side. The British pound was the strongest currency. It's given up about 45 points or so right now from its highs. Most of the other currencies slipping a little bit right now. Again, silver market outperforming the gold to the upside right now. Stock indices up. Now, more warnings are coming out from more and more banks saying this doesn't make sense, this rally in the stock market. Things aren't that good. And they question if this isn't still problematic. I'm still seeing other bankers coming out and saying this banking issue is nowhere near finished. It got quiet. It didn't mean that things have been resolved. In the grain markets, a little bit of everything. Corn down. Now, if you pay attention to Bollinger Bands in this, you know where the market got up to. It was overdue. It hit key moving averages and boom, right back down. Soybeans, interesting. Now, we're going to be in the planting season. This is where it gets wild. Don't get the right weather, you get a bounce. Get ideal weather, market starts coming down as the corn acreage will be pretty important. Bonds and notes, the big question here, of course, is what happens? Now, we got under 4% in the two-year note. We popped back over it today. We'll see where that's going to carry the marketplace. If you take a look at the day's data, Redbook Group, they came out already. It's about a 3% increase. I just didn't update that. Factory orders come out at 9 o'clock this morning. They're looking for those to show a decline of about 0.5% versus the January decline of 1.6%. This, to me, is going to be the key number. The JOLTS number. Are we going to see wobbles in the labor market or not? We get two Fed members speaking. Collins and Cook will be speaking today. API numbers come out. And in the Eurozone, this is really good data. The producer prices came in down 0.5% year on year. Well, actually, the year was 13.2%. The expectation was 13.6%. So for the first time, some moderation here. I don't know that that's enough to take the European Central Bank by storm and say, oh, we're not going to raise rates. I don't think that's anything like it. But it is a good piece of news, and we have to pay attention to that. I want to remind you, you have one more day left after today to view my currency report on the dollar. When I did it, I didn't think I was going to be this important in it. It's become very important. We'll give you the price counts, seasonal studies, the 15, the 5, and the 30-year studies. We'll take a look very hard at the weekly charts on the futures, then go to the daily, ripping them apart with all our technical studies, and then do the same for the UUP, the dollar. And we'll look at the all-important dollar ETF. How do you get it? Well, if you can't get it in our website for any reason, you call my staff. They'll work with you. Otherwise, you can go right up here. There'll be an icon. Give it a click up there. That'll take you there. You can go to iraepstein.com under the word research. Take advantage of it. I'll be doing another key report maybe as early as this afternoon or tomorrow. So I'm going to start rolling these out now. You have a good day. I'm Ira Epstein.